Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be learning a short intermediate cutting shapes combo that repeats itself so you can just loop it and keep doing it over and over again to practice. So before we get started, here's what it looks like. So if you're brand new to cutting shapes and you've never done it before, then I recommend checking out this video over here first, learn your basics, and then when you're feeling comfortable in your cutting shapes foundations, you can come back and learn more intricate combos just like this one. However, if you are here for the first time learning some shapes, then give this one a go, see how it feels, and then we can take it from there. All right, so let's get started following from behind. We're gonna start off with 2 scissors, shooting the right leg across first for 1. We're gonna bring it across, and again, 2, and we're gonna switch feet, 3, we're gonna flare to the floor and pick up on 4. Okay, a little bit quicker, we're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, from here we're gonna go and 5. We're then gonna flare up into the air this time and kick 6. We're then gonna come up and cross 7, so crossing behind, and 8. Okay, so let's go from the small flare. So we hit on 3 and 4 and 5, up 6. So see how I've released the foot, and 7 and 8. Okay, one more time from the flare. So 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, now we're going to do that a little bit quicker and then we'll put it all together. So we're going to go 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's put both combinations together so we can hit the full 8 counts, starting from the top. We're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, up 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so it's important to note that we've got 2 flares here. We've got a small on the floor one with our toe down to kick, and the one on this side is big up in the air, and we do the same. It's the same release, so mini flare and big flare. Okay, so the same feeling, one is on the ground and one is up in the air. So let's do that again from the top, a little bit faster this time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now we're gonna loop it. We're gonna do 2 in a row. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. If you're getting stuck on the transition between the W step and the scissors, this is what I'm doing. So from W step, I come back, and from here, I immediately shoot my leg across. Okay, so W, return, shoot. Okay, W, return, shoot. One more time, W, return, shoot, and then you can continue, switch and hit, boom, ka, and shoot. So let's try it to some music. We're gonna hit full speed. I'm gonna do a few rounds. So this is your challenge to try and keep up and do as many rounds as you possibly can. All right, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done everyone, and that is our mini shapes combo for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you thought in the comments. If you'd like to see more videos just like this. Mini combos like this are great for repetition and just refining your skills, practicing your shapes, making them sharper each time, especially combos that loop together that you can just do over and over again. And it's a good challenge as well because it's going to build up your stamina and your accuracy in cutting shapes. So before we end off here today, Don't forget to give my channel a like, a subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content just like this. Because your support helps my channel to grow so I can continue to supply free content out to you guys to help you learn, help you grow, and continue along your shuffle journeys. So until next time, have a fantastic day. See you later. Bye.